Hey guys, welcome to Cyber Up with Chris. In this channel, we'll talk about web development and cybersecurity concepts. And I also share a lot of practical cybersecurity tips and insights. My goal is to keep everything organized and structured here so that whether you're just starting out in IT or you already have some experience, you'll find this channel very helpful. So let's get started. What exactly is web development? Web development is broad, but basically, it is the process of building websites and web applications and deploying them as well. It's not enough to build the application, you should also know how to deploy them as a developer. But some persons may struggle to understand the difference between a website and a web application. A website is mostly informational. It's like an online blog or a brochure where people just come, they read and browse through the information, and that is it. But a web application is more interactive. It lets users to, do things like create an account, log into those accounts, create posts, add products to wish list, purchase item online or even chat. Your regular social media platforms, your e-commerce website, they are all web applications. So when we say web development, we are talking about the skills to build, these things from the scratch, from a simple homepage to a complex, dynamic platform. So web design and web development. Let's quickly talk about the difference between web design and web development, because sometimes people mix them up and they are not exactly the same thing. Web design is about the visual look of the website, how the website looks and how it feels. Designers will focus more on the layouts, the color, the fonts, and the overall branding. So they decide how the website will feel and how it flows, how it responds on mobile or on your regular desktop screen. This is what a designer concern will be. But on the other hand, web development is about building the actual functionality of that design. Developers will focus on code, how things work, how the data is handled, and how the website runs under the hood. That is what a developer's concern will be. So you can think of it this way: a designer makes the website beautiful, but a developer actually makes it work to deliver the real functions and the features of that website. So sometimes you will do the both as a developer. You should be able to design and also develop. But yeah, not all developers are good designers, but all developers should understand how web design works and even design to a very reasonable extent.